Hi, today I'm in front of me Google Pixel 7 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the wallpaper and style section. Here you will see change wallpaper icon. Just click here once and now we can use the photos from our device camera previously taken or downloaded, for example, from the internet. Also we can use photos from our just defaults, the wallpaper series. But for example, let's use this one. You can see how this photo will just look on your lock screen. Then tap on the right down corner and tap here to lock screen. After that, just wait a second. We can see that message that our wallpaper set successfully. So let's check and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while here the white screen and click here to wallpaper and style. Why this way you will launch the same wallpaper settings, and for example let's use now photos from our device gallery, for example download it. Click here, we can change the position of the wallpaper, select lock screen here, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.